Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another product unboxing and review video. Today we have Ultima Prime earbuds, so let's start with the unboxing. The box looks good, highlighting all the features like active noise cancellation, 60-hour playtime, IPX5 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.4, 13mm driver, Swift dual pairing, app support and fast charging. Now let's see what the box contains. This is the product itself, which we'll get into later. We also get some extra ear tips and a Type A to C charging cable. Below that, some paperwork and a sticker. Talking about the earbuds, the design looks decent. You get the charging port below the case with a charging indicator. Talking about the sound quality, this sounds beautiful while listening to the music considering its price, and it does come with low latency, but I would not recommend these earbuds for gaming purposes. This also supports an app from where you can easily enable or disable the settings, and you can choose between multiple presets, or you can even create a custom one. You can also change the touch settings if you want. Overall, these are a good pair of earbuds that come under Rs 3000. You can easily purchase it online from their official website. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.